Gettonato.
is an adjective that has interesting links to the early days of popular music.
Gettonato.
Although today it can denote almost anything that's popular or well-liked, it used to refer specifically to popular songs or singers. To understand why, we need to take a deeper look at the origin of the word. It comes from
Gettonare.
a verb meaning to play a song on the jukebox, and this verb in turn derives from the term
Jukebox a gettoni.
coin-operated jukebox. If a singer or song was gettonato, it meant it was regularly played on the jukebox and therefore popular. The feminine form is
Gettonata.
whereas the respective plurals are
Gettonati.
and
Gettonate. Un cantante gettonato.
a popular singer,
Una canzone gettonata.
a popular song,
Dei cantanti gettonati.
popular singers,
Delle canzoni gettonate.
popular songs.
Il nuovo brano di Ligabue è la canzone più gettonata del momento.
Ligabue's new single is the most popular song at the moment. You can use gettonato these days in a colloquial way to describe anything that's considered popular, including people,
Persone,
places,
posti,
and ideas.
idee. Questo è il locale più gettonato di Torino.
This is the most popular nightclub in Turin.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.